The gears on the left turn the agitators, so you don't know any effect. But, if you turn the gears on the right, the magnetic shaft covered with the developer starts spinning. However, if you plan to replace the developer, clean the white gears that drive the magnetic roller first. This is how easy it is to disassemble the gears and wash them. I won't wash the gears, but if you have to, do it. To replace the developer, you need to disassemble the top plastic housing. Using a small flat screwdriver, pry up the casing in several places and you will be able to disassemble it. Now remove the main cover. We have full access to the developer. Dump the whole old developer out, and vacuum the interior of the developing unit. Develop is cool, because it doesn't cause permanent stains, like toner does. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove the developer debris from the magnetic roller. Put in a whole new developer. Reinstall the covers. connect the developer module with the drum unit, and install it to the copier.